In this video, we will learn how to set up a Pikzels AI persona correctly and discover the one mistake that can completely ruin the quality and consistency of every thumbnail you create. Pixel is an AI-powered thumbnail creation platform designed to help creators generate professional-looking YouTube thumbnails faster. So instead of manually designing every thumbnail, from the beginning, Pikzels uses artificial intelligence to analyze your ideas and create thumbnail concepts based on proven visual styles. So one of the most useful features inside Pikzels is the AI persona. This allows creators to create a consistent character or identity that can be reused across different thumbnails, helping maintain a recognizable brand style. To begin with, click these features and select these personas. This is where you provide the information and the visual references that the AI will use when generating your thumbnail. So click this Create My Persona. So this is where you provide the information and visual references that the AI will use when generating your thumbnails. The first step is preparing your reference images. The quality of your uploaded images plays a major role in the final results. Choose a clear and high-resolution photos where your face is visible, well-lit, and easy for the AI to analyze. In order to do that, click this Upload, click this, and choose your preferred photo. Make sure it's high quality and well lit so the AI can easy to analyze it. So avoid uploading random images with different styles, angles, or appearances. After that, click this Generate. You can describe what you like to add or remove or replace on your photo. So while it may seem like adding more photos gives the AI more information, inconsistent images can actually create confusion. And this may lead to the biggest mistake that breaks most AI-generated thumbnails, creating an inconsistent AI persona. So when your reference images have different hairstyle, lighting, facial expressions, or overall appearances, the AI may generate thumbnails where your face changes from the one designs to another. This can make your thumbnail look less professional and weaken your personal brand. So to avoid this problem, you can use images that represent the exact look you want your audience to recognize. Keep your appearance consistent and choose photos that match your preferred thumbnail style. After setting up your AI persona, you can now describe what you like to add. For example, create a thumbnail design with this persona and click this Generate. Now, the AI will then use your persona along with its thumbnail generation system to create designs that match your content. However, remember that AI does not replace good thumbnail strategy. A strong thumbnail still requires a clear concept, readable text, strong visual focus, and an image that creates curiosity for viewers. A properly configured AI persona can save creators hours of designs work while helping maintain consistent branding across multiple videos. Since I don't have a subscription in Pikzels, I will just give you a tips. Before generating dozens of thumbnails, take time to create a strong foundation. The better your AI persona setup is, the more accurate and professional your final thumbnails will become. And that's how you set up a Pikzels AI persona and avoid the one mistake that breaks every thumbnails you make. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment below and see you on my next video. Thank you!